Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Today we will show you how to run a PCB Magazine Unloader. First, empty magazine in. PCB flow into the front conveyor one by one, and the push load will push PCBs into the magazine. Magazine can store 50 pieces board. Magazine pitch can be chosen 10mm, 20mm or 30mm. Conveyor wise is adjustable from 50 to 460mm. As we can see, we use high quality magazine, mini size for your choice. If you have a requirement about the unloader, you can share us your idea. We will meet you. After the magazine full of PCB, trolley will go down and magazine out. Then work can take out the full magazine, and upside the empty magazine go in.